How to permanently delete your OnlineJobs.ph account. So to start, we'll just have to open our browser and then search for OnlineJobs.ph. After that, we'll have to log into our account. Once logged in, we'll have to tap on this How It Works option. And then in here, we'll have to scroll down until we see this option, How do I delete my account? What we need to do is to tap on this one. And then after that, we'll be given instructions on how we can permanently delete the account. So in here, it says that if you'd like to temporarily pause your account, consider changing the settings to inactive instead of deleting your account. This will allow you to reactivate your account later. To do this, simply log into your account and then update your account status to inactive. But if you want to permanently delete your account, what you need to do is to send an email to support@onlinejobs.ph. But we have to keep in mind that this action is irreversible. OnlineJobs.ph doesn't allow workers to create multiple accounts. So, by deleting your account, it will prevent you from using OnlineJobs.ph in the future. So, if you are sure to delete your account, what we need to do is to tap on this Contact Us option. And then in here, we'll just have to fill out this form. What we need to do is to put our full name, email address, and then subject, and then in here we'll have to type a message. So as an example, I'm going to type here, I want to permanently delete my account, please assist me. After that, we'll have to tap on this box here, and then once we're done, we'll have to tap on the send message option. Once the email is sent, what we need to do is to wait for OnlineJobs.ph response. So that's how easy we can permanently delete our OnlineJobs.ph account. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!